Welcome back to Motor Hub. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is here, and it's redefining what it means to drive a front-engine V12 convertible. This car isn't just about speed, it's about emotion, heritage, and the raw power that Ferrari has been perfecting for decades. If you're a fan of open-top motoring with a naturally aspirated V12 under the hood, this is the ultimate machine. At the heart of the 812 GTS is a 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an astonishing 819 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. This beast of an engine revs up to 9,500 RPM, giving you an experience that few other cars can match. It screams with a sound that is pure Ferrari, unfiltered and untamed. Mated to a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the 812 GTS launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, with a top speed north of 211 miles per hour. It's one of the fastest convertibles on the planet, and it doesn't just rely on turbocharging or hybrid assistance, it's pure mechanical excellence. But what makes the 812 GTS truly special is the experience of driving it. With the retractable hardtop, you get the best of both worlds, a coupe when you want it, and an open-air supercar when you don't. The roof folds down in just 14 seconds, transforming the car into an open-air monster that lets you fully experience the sound and sensation of that incredible V12. Unlike many modern performance cars that have shifted towards downsized engines and electrification, Ferrari has kept the spirit of the naturally aspirated V12 alive, and the 812 GTS is a celebration of that. Handling is just as impressive as the power. The 812 GTS comes equipped with rear-wheel steering, Ferrari's side-slip control, and an advanced aerodynamic design that keeps the car planted at high speeds. The steering is razor-sharp, making it feel like an extension of your own reflexes. Every corner, every straightaway, every throttle input, this car responds instantly, giving the driver a level of connection that few cars in the world can replicate. The design is just as breathtaking as the performance. Ferrari has taken the already aggressive styling of the 812 Superfast and enhanced it with an open-top configuration that looks even more dramatic. The long, sculpted hood, wide rear haunches, and aerodynamic enhancements make this car look as fast as it is. Inside, you get a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials, carbon fiber accents, and Ferrari's signature digital displays that keep you connected to every aspect of the car's performance. Owning an 812 GTS isn't just about having a fast car, it's about being part of Ferrari's V12 legacy. This is one of the last naturally aspirated V12 Ferraris without hybrid assistance, making it a future classic. It's a car that delivers pure excitement, unmatched performance, and the thrill of open-top driving like nothing else on the market. If you're looking for a car that embodies Ferrari's racing DNA while offering the freedom of a convertible, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is the perfect machine.